Hey guys, and welcome to this video. I just wanted to do a quick one today and cover something I did recently. I had an issue with my ZD-915 desoldering gun. What I did is I broke the rod, one of the cleaning rods, you know, that you get inside the heating element. I broke it inside the heating element, this guy here. So as I was cleaning it, it actually broke inside. So this doesn't have any air going through it, so it's completely useless. So I looked into replacement guns and I couldn't find one, but I could find a replacement element. So I decided to order it and replace it. Now the issue that I had is that the pinout was completely crypted, or there's no pinout. So you have these 4 wires here. This big colored one is pretty straightforward, obviously, but these 4 wire ones are connected to these 2 red ones, this black one, and this yellow one. And so what I did is I replaced one by one, and I kind of mapped it to the position of this blue one, right? So I thought, okay, so there's one here under the blue one, will replace the one that's under the blue one on the old one. And I did that and I followed it up. So after doing that, unfortunately it didn't work. There was an error when I turned on the station and it wouldn't heat up. So another thing also is I wasn't sure if I could solder this, but because it came with crimps and it was crimped initially, but yeah, soldering works fine as well. Then what I realized is that my pinout was wrong, and it was wrong because this particular one here seems to be mounted differently on the replacement element. And what I had to do is basically align them. Well, this one here has the guard on it, so you won't see. But essentially, I aligned it with the 3 holes here, and then I realized that there was actually 2 pairs of wires. Those 2 here have a big gap in between them, and those 2 here have a very small gap in between them. So I then measured the resistance in between, and I could see that they were matching pairs. And that's all I had to do, and then match the original wiring to these colored wires based on the 2 pairs, and not based on position of the blue wire here that was actually mounted somewhere else. That's it. If any of you have to do an element change, that might be helpful to you. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Cheers.